Good morning, sixth grade. Welcome to Friday of week 5. I hope everyone is doing well and had a good week. These are office hours for Friday, April 24th. I'm going to start with a warm-up, going back to unit rate. So we're going to answer the question, how much for one? How much for one bag of Takis? The individual bags. If 12 of the individual bags, not the large ones, but the personal ones, if 12 of those small bags would cost $33.96, at that same rate, how much would one be? When you have an answer, please post it in the chat and then let me know how you arrived at that answer. Hey, Jesus, how are you? Sorry about that. You happy about that? All right, Jesus, you feel ready for the task? Find the cost for one bag of Takis of 12 cost $33.96. See if you could see. Jesus, can you still see the warm-up from there? Or is it too far away? Okay, cool. Hey Fergie, how are you? Can you see the warm-up, Fergie? Like, is it clear enough for you to be able to read it? Okay, cool. All right, as soon as you guys have an answer for me, post it in chat and we'll go over it. Tell me what you get for each bag of Takis, and then tell me what you did. Okay, Jesus and Fergie, you guys got the same answer. So that means you agree with each other. Would you tell me what you guys did? I did 33.96 divided by 12. Okay. How about you, Fergie? Is that what you did? 12 costs 33.96. Jesus said he did 33.96 divided by 12. He got 2.83. He said, would it cost $2.83? And I see Fergie put in her dollar symbol. She says she did the same thing. Okay, so let me ask you a question. What model would you use? If this was a DUA question, and I kind of did this Wednesday with you guys. If this was a DUA question, what model would you choose to back it up? To prove that this would have been the correct operation? Your choice of model. Which model? What model would you guys pick? Anything? The model is important to back this up. So what model would you guys pick? I'll write down attendance while I wait. I have Friggy and Jesus here. Anyone else? And who is this? Are you one of my students? I need to hear that from that person just in case. Friggy, Jesus, do you have... Okay, which student? I take attendance each stream. Jesus, Friggy, which model would you guys pick? So you're not one of my students. You just came to learn. Oh, you really? You guys don't have an idea of which? Okay. Let me give you a clue. When you guys took the Unit 2 test, and we were comparing Noah and Andre's mixtures, what were the two models they told you to choose from? Do you guys remember that problem? It was a pretty big problem. It took up 3 questions. Had 3 parts. The diagram or a double number line. Diagram meaning what? What specifically what kind of diagram? Because a double number line can be called a diagram also. So double number line was definitely one of them. What was the other one? Do you guys remember? Dennis? How you doing, Dennis? Okay, so since you guys didn't say what the other diagram is, let's use the double number line. That way we can move this along, okay? You at least said double number line. So the two quantities that I'm comparing were the Takis and the cost. I was interested in finding how much for one. That's my question mark. I was told that 12 would cost $33.96. How do you get from 12 to 1? Divide by 12. If you're going to find the equivalent ratio, I'm doing good. Thank you, Dennis. If I find the equivalent ratio, I have to divide by the same thing or multiply by the same thing. So this is where we connect your method and the model, and you get the answer that you guys arrived at, which is $2.83. So nice job. Now, let's get you guys going on your makeup work or any questions that you have on anything. So, Fergie, what are you working on, dear? Jesus, you're still working on Moby, right? Have you finished anything that I need to grade? Fergie says test part 3. Okay, got it. I'm on it. I will open that up for you right now. Open. It's open. Okay, Dennis. Dennis. Oh, okay. Dennis, you did not do all your work, so we are going to have to find out where you are, sir. Dennis. Okay, thank you, Jesus. Okay. Now, I would like to check. If I'm not mistaken, Dennis, you started the test. So let's see where you're at. Sixth grade. Dennis did not start the test. Okay, Dennis, I have an important question for you, buddy. For the test, you were supposed to watch the reviews. The reviews are on my YouTube channel. And for your class, there are 4 videos. Day 7, 8, and 9. Day 9 had 2 parts because one problem got cut out. So, Dennis, did you watch videos for day 7, 8, and 9? And then 9 part 2? Okay, that's really good because you need those points. Excellent. Okay, Fergie, Jesus, and Dennis. That's my attendance, right? Am I missing anybody? And Dennis, did you watch those videos? 7, 8, and 9, and 9 part 2. Guys, stay signed into your student account, please. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. But if I ask you a question, Jesus, you'll have to answer, okay? Dennis, I asked you a question. Let's try this again. Seven, 8, and 9. Okay, that's a good thing, Jesus. That means you do understand them. You just didn't do that great on the test. That's a good thing. I'm happy for you. Yes, on Mobi, yes. Oh, okay, so are you ready to start the test, Dennis? Or maybe you did, and I had to pause it. Let me double check. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, you submitted that? Oh, perfect. So then I think I have to add you to part 2. This is good. So, okay, let's get you started on part 2, okay? Yeah, you're already on it. You started it. Look it over. Don't submit until I look over it for you. I don't know. Maybe Mr. Casamento did. Oh, okay. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, I'm not certain. It wasn't me, so I'm assuming it could have been anybody because the district is making an effort as a team to reach out to students who are not active in their classrooms. So you could maybe ask him when you get a chance, or just ask mom who called. Anybody have any questions? Can I go to summer school? I actually have to wait from the districts to find out if they're going to have any summer programs. And then if they do, we have to see if seventh grade will, like you would be in seventh grade next year. So they would have to have a seventh grade program. So I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't have information on that. Usually we know in May or June if they're going to have anything and for what grades. Dennis, if they do have something, does that mean you're interested? Because if you're interested, as soon as I find out, I could make sure that you have your form. Mom would have to sign permission. Oh, Dennis, you don't need summer school in order to pass. Third marking period is going to remain open until June. So as long as you come to my stream or reach out to Mr. Casamento for help to make up work, let's say Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I have office hours for student makeup work. As long as you make up your work, you're going to do just fine. Okay? That's a good thing that you don't want to fail, because that means hopefully that you'll put the time into it and you'll get your work done. Yes, yes, Dennis, there is light at the end of the tunnel, my man. The model chart? Okay, give me a second to look at that. I'll assign it to myself. It's going to take me a little while, though, because it sounds like if you're on a chart that I have to do a few lessons before I get to it. Okay? And then I'll take a look at it for you. I don't want you to get frustrated, Jesus. You got this. Or I guess another way to look at it is that it's okay to get frustrated as long as you don't give up. Okay? As long as you don't give up and you don't become destructive at all. So let's see, lessons. Let's go down to me and assign it. You said that it's ratios, so that should be a 6th grade ratios. Got it. Assign. Top. Yes, because I want to click on it. Okay. All right. Now let's log out and go back in as a student. Miss, does our classes have live today? I'm sorry, ask that question again. I don't understand your question. Oh, you're asking if I have a stream for you guys today? Emily, just look at the schedule. Yes, I have office hours from now until 12 o'clock. You don't have to leave here because Dennis is here. It doesn't matter, as it's office hours. So if you want to work on something, like if you're ready for your test, you could start it now if you want. Dennis is working on his. Log out, log in as a student. Ratios. Okay. Okay, Dennis, no problem. So Emily, talk to me. What do you want? What do you need? Or are you coming back later? Are you ready to take the test? You watched your test review videos and the ratio practice videos? Jesus, do you know what the name of the lesson is? Because I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different lessons. Do you know which one you're on so that I know which one to stop at? Your class goes from 11 to 12, but you could stay here now if you want. You don't have to leave. These are office hours for any of my students.
What is the ratio of count of chickens? Check all that are true. What is the ratio?
Rude. Solve for unknown in equivalent ratios from a table. Dennis, you do not have to leave. No. Okay, I have quite a few to do to catch up to you, Jesus. I'm sorry. Please be patient with me, okay? Cows to the total. So 2 to 5. 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Rude. I keep having to scroll down to see all the answers. What is the ratio of the chickens to the total number of animals? So that's 3 to 5. Be careful. 3 to 5. Ratio of snakes to the total of stuffed animals. That would be 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. Okay. Next, please. Crocodiles, 4 to 12. Zebras to pandas. 2 to 4. Dogs to crocodiles. Rabbits to total. That to the total. So 1, 3, 4, 5. Well, I'm in the beginning, so the beginning is easy, like you said, Jesus. I didn't get to the chart yet. Yeah, you're gonna have to give me time because that's a little further down. Sorry. Oh, cool. Just like it, I don't understand how you get the price of one bag of Takis on a double number line. Okay, great. So I have something I can explain. So hopefully you can see this okay. There seems to be a little bit of a glare. All right. Okay. So good. How are you? Yes. Okay. Thank you. You too. So Fergie, we were comparing Takis and the cost, right? Number of Taki bags could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They told us 12 matches with $33.96, and they told us we want to know how much for one. So what matches up with one? Well, how do we get from 12 to 1? 12 divided by 12 will give me 1. So if I'm going to find this one, that means that whatever matches with 12, I have to divide that by 12 also. So we did $33.96 divided by 12. And that's what you guys told me in the very beginning. And it gave us the $2.83. Does that help at all? I'm sorry if the picture is not good. I'm starting to think that part of the problem is the camera. Unfortunately, I can't do anything about that because this is my school-issued device. I don't know if it's the lighting or the camera, or both maybe. Not sure. So I hope you could see that okay. Okay, thank you. That helped me a lot. Okay, no problem, kiddo. I'm glad that it helped you. That's what I'm here for. Now let's get back to ratios. So it says here, what's the ratio of penguins to the total number of animals? There are 2, 4, 6 animals, so it's 2 to 6. Wait,
What is the ratio of the turtles to the unicorns?
to the unicorns?
How much?
2.
What is the ratio of the swans to the woodpeckers?
That's 3 to 4. Okay, so let's see what else. Solve for unknown. And it was, okay, so I have to do, it looks like, Jesus, I have to do 3 more lessons to catch up to you. So, sorry.
The school has 3 yellow buses and 4 green buses. What is the ratio of yellow buses to green buses? Write your answer using the A:B format. For example, 1:1. has 3 yellow buses and 4 green buses. What is the ratio of green buses to total buses? Write your answer using
Come here. The kids probably want to say hi to you.
For example, 1:1. A pet shelter houses 32 cats and 45 dogs. What is the ratio of cats to dogs? Write your answer using
That's a lot of animals.
Bob has 6 yellow pencils and 5 blue pencils. What is the ratio of yellow pencils to blue pencils? Right. The salad has 2 onions and 3 tomatoes.
Here, come
what
here.
Is the ratio of
come say hi to the kids.
Tomatoes?
Come
Write
here.
your answer using the A:/B format.
Yeah.
For example, 1:1.
No? I guess he doesn't want to be picked up. Or maybe he does. Hello. Come here. The kids like to say hi to you. Here, say hi to the kids. Look. Say hi to the kids. Hi, kids. Say hi. Hello. You say hi? Good. No? Okay. Thank you. It's a boy. That's Cinnamon. That one is hard, like do I multiply or divide? The rest is easy. Okay, so Jesus, if you don't want to wait for me to get to where you are, then take a picture of it and email it to me. If you can be patient and wait for me to get through the lessons, I'm going to eventually get to the one that you're on, and then I can help you that way. Okay? You can say hi, Cinnamon. All right, salad has 2 onions and 3 tomatoes. 2, 3. Okay, next one. I have 2 more to go, Jesus. I'm on more problems.
The garden has 4 tomatoes and 5 strawberries. What is the ratio of tomatoes to strawberries? The classroom has 8 laptops and 9 students. What is the ratio of laptops to students? The vegetable tray in the refrigerator has 7 cucumbers and 5 carrots. What is the ratio of cucumbers to carrots? There are 8 soccer balls and 3 scooters in the garage. What is the ratio of scooters to soccer balls? On the clearance rack, there are 7 shirts and 8 pairs of jeans. What is the ratio of pairs? Ashley spent 11 hours on a math project and 14 hours on a science project. What is the ratio?
Okay, I'm on identify equivalent ratios now.
To create a ratio that which are equivalent ratios to 1 to 2. Check all that are true.
Thank you, Jesus. You're asking me if patience is the key to happiness? You don't know? I actually think that being thankful for something is closely connected to being happy. Like if you really appreciate having something or something happening, then it's closely related to your level of happiness. But that's just my opinion. Which are equivalent ratios to 1 to 2? This one, and this one. Oops, it says I got, this one too. Oops.
Which fractions are equivalent to 1/2? Check Check all that are true.
Equivalent to a half. Okay, so that would be this one, and this one.
Determine if each of the following ratios is equivalent to 1 to 5.
Chapter 10 of what? Oh, people say that patience is a key for happiness? I never heard that. I heard patience is a virtue. I heard that phrase, but I've never heard that it's connected to happiness. Oh, wait, yes, I have. Yes, I have. Because there's this thing where they say that happiness is like a butterfly. The more you chase it, the more it eludes you. So if you're patient for it, it's just gonna come settle on you. So yes, you're absolutely right, Jesus. I have heard of that. Determine if each of the following is equivalent to 1 to 5. Equivalent, not equivalent. Well, this is definitely not equivalent. This one is. Okay, that one's not. Yikes. No, wait, what? What? Wait, is there another one?
Equivalent rate.
All right, 1 to 2. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. Okay.
Determine if each of the following ratios is equivalent to 2 to 3.
I'm going to keep the stream going. Hey, Alex. I'm not going to stop and redo a stream. I'm just going to keep this one open since it's office hours. I hope you guys don't mind. Everyone is just pretty much working on what they owe. Where's Emily? Emily, are you still here? Like, was I supposed to give you... Who? Emily, am I supposed to open up the test for you? Jesus. Determine if each of the following is equivalent to 2/3. Okay, this one is good. This one is not. This one is not. No. Times 2. Yes. Okay. All right.
Which are equivalent ratios?
So 1 to 2.
Check all that are true.
Yes. I'm almost there, Jesus.
Which are equivalent ratios? 2, 1 to 3. Check all that are true. Which are equivalent ratios? 2, 1 to 4. Check all that are true. Which are equivalent ratios? 2, 2 to 3. Check all that are true. Which are equivalent ratios? 2, 3 to 4. Check all that are true.
Hi, okay. The centimeter cubes were hard to make. Yes, and what I did was you guys can do the inches box and then leave the centimeters box blank, because I ordered centimeter cubes and inch cubes so that I can demonstrate. I want you to be able to compare them instead of just in the picture. I want to be able to show you the difference in size, and I want to be able to actually show you taking the centimeter cubes and putting them in the box. I want to demonstrate that. And it's probably going to take about a week for it to come in. So we're going to have to go back to it. I don't want to just give out answers. I want to actually have us like explore it and demonstrate it. Oh, you still made it. Okay, perfect. Then I definitely want to see what you came up with if you were able to accomplish that. Now, Jesus, I believe I'm on the lesson that you're on finally, because you called it solve for unknown from the table. Yes, I'm on the same one. What number are you on, Jesus? Poor people are invisible to people, but not to cops. Whoa. Jesus, you really believe that? I don't agree with that. You know why I don't agree with that? Because I know what it's like to be poor. And I can tell you that there were people who didn't even know us, but who were kind to us. And it didn't have to be. So there are people in the world who will see people who are experiencing poverty. Okay, I did say that I need you guys to use your student accounts. Student accounts only, or I will remove them.
To complete the ratio table, in other words, enter in the missing number.
Okay, Jesus, what number are you on for the for Moby? What number are you on? Because I'm in the lesson now. Number 3? Okay. And it's a star, or it's part of the introduction? I got the number 1 and number 2 incorrect. Are they the stars, or are they part of the introduction? Fergie, it's okay. Why are you apologizing? You're in the stars. Okay, then just give me a minute. Enter in the missing number to create equivalent ratios. All right, so let me go over this with you, Jesus. Jesus, it says to enter the missing numbers to create equivalent ratios. Right? Tables. That's the model. That was the other model, by the way. When I said to you, what were the two? And you guys said diagram and double number line, and tables. So the very first one that they're showing me, they say that we have 1 to 2. We have to fill in this blank that matches with the 2. We have 3 to 6. And we have 4 to 8. So Jesus, what number goes here? And why? Oh, okay. All right, he thinks that it could be 3. Okay, how come 3? Let's put the 3 there and tell me why it would be 3. I want to use a different color, so hold on a second. Okay, why is it 3? Yeah, because... Okay, now we got it. Now we understand. How long is a meter? For that, I will let you look it up. So for example, let's pretend that I measured my sofa and it was 10 feet long. Now you could go into Google and say 10 feet is how many meters. I will allow you to do that since we don't have meter sticks. Because after 2 is 3. Ah, okay. Nope. Is after 3 6? What are we counting by here? You have good logic, but what are we counting by? Are we counting by ones? Jesus, stop messing around. Yes, you may. Okay, fine. You're having fun learning, but you're also like off topic. I need you to stay on topic and have fun, okay? What are we counting by on the right? On the left, we're counting by ones. What are we counting by on the right? Yes, we're counting by 2s. Ah, light bulb went on. Good job. So what number goes here? Exactly. Good job. Now, there's a way you could test this because in a table, they are not always going to be in order like this. In a double numbered line, they're supposed to be in order, but in a table, we could scramble it all up. It doesn't. No. I'm getting rid of that comment. No name calling, even if it's for yourself. Please don't say that. Because when you start thinking those things and saying those things, then you start to believe them. Even if you're joking around. You have to think positive, okay? Helpful thoughts, nothing negative, nothing that's demeaning. And calling yourself that is demeaning, okay? Even if you're joking around. There's a way to test if this is correct. How do you get Jesus from here to here? What do you have to multiply by? 1 times what is 2? You're not stupid. 1 times what number is 2? 2, okay. 1 times 2 is 2. So now let's ask ourselves if this is correct. Is 2 times 2 4? Yes, that means that this number is correct. Okay? All right, let's do the next one. Because now you're going to get the hang of it and it won't be an issue.
The following ratio table has a mistake.
All right, let's not do that. Oh, I have to say what the mistake is? Okay, whatever. Let's just do the mistake then, I guess. It says that there's a mistake in the table that they gave us. I tried to bypass it, but whatever. So let's try to find the mistakes. Or is it one mistake or two? It says one. See, these, I don't know. Let me hush for a minute. Where do you think the mistake is? Oh, okay. I'll wait. Go ahead, Jesus. Does anybody else have any other questions? And is Emily here? Because Emily was supposed to start her test. Dennis, are you still here taking your test? Oh, you think the 5 is incorrect? Okay, 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. I think that this is okay. Just test it. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. This is okay. Alex, what are you working on, buddy? And are you okay, Fergie, with what you're working on? Let me just check in with everybody, make sure everybody's okay. Is it the 10? This one? Oh, okay. Let's find out. 1 times 10 is 10, but 2 times 10 is supposed to be 20. So yeah, you're gonna have to pick one of those. Good job. That was a good catch.
Is the incorrect value. The following ratio table has a mistake.
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm working on the measurement stations. Thank you, Alex. And okay, so it was 12. Okay, cool. Well, you could have picked either one. I clicked on the 12 because it was blue in the table, and I figured Moby was forcing me to pick that side. Okay, another one with a mistake. Two to 5, 3 to 10, 8 to 20, 10 to 25. Where's the mistake? I kind of like that. Maybe I'll make that a warm-up one day. Like, find the mistake. I love those. Okay, station 3, that's the one with the leaders in the courts, right? And you have to watch the video. That's a good one. Not that the other ones are bad, but I think that the video is like perfect for it. So I'm glad that they provided that video for us. Is it the 3? Okay, let's test it out. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is not 3, it's 4. So yeah, I agree with you. It's the 3. Good job.
Is the incorrect value. The following ratio table has a mistake.
I'm gonna do yeah, that's right. Yay. I'm gonna throw a little dab up here for you, Jesus. Let's see, because you're on a roll. Okay, it says that there's another mistake. Yeah. 1 to 3, 3 to 9, 4 to 10, 6 to 18. Which one do you think is the mistake? I thought your mom was calling you. You didn't have to go? It's censored, but I can see it in my phone. Are you serious? They censored my dad? Rude. No, I cannot watch the video for Station 3. But I attached it in our Google Classroom as a Google Meet video. You should be able to see it just fine. Oh, okay. Jesus, which one's wrong, buddy? Oh, these are my grids for 8th grade. Yo, I'm so happy. What did you pick? Is it the 10? But it's not for me. Okay. Is it the 10? Okay, let's test it. Let's test it. Is it the 10? 1 times 4 is 4, but 3 times 4 is not 10. It is 12. Nice job. So we get rid of the 10. Okay.
Is the incorrect value. Enter the missing number.
Okay, what are we on now? Enter in. Oh, I'm on the stars now, Jesus. Enter in the missing number to create equivalent ratios. Should I just go to number 3 then? Or should I? Oh, they got 2 missing boxes. One, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to blank, blank to 8. Okay, go ahead. What do you think? Okay, great, Alex. I'm glad that you were able to watch it. That's why I put it on there, because so many students said that it was forbidden. This is the hard part. Okay, but you've been doing really great, so I think that you could do it. I really do. The 6 is the one between 4 and 8. All right, let's give it a try and let's test it out. 1 times 3 is 3. So is 2 times 3 6? Yes, it is. Nice job. How about this one now? Oh, I didn't even see that. You beat me to it. The 4 is the last one. Okay, let's test it out. 2 times 4 is 8. Is 1 times 4 4? Yes, it is. Nice job, kiddo. I told you you could do it. It's not so hard for you anymore now, is it? He's on a roll, folks. Okay, number 2. I gotta clean my board and my erasers. This one also has 2 blanks, but this time they're on the same side. Okay, go for it, Jesus. This is so exciting. I can't believe it came this quick. No. I finished station 3. Okay, cool. Was it easy? But it is opposite. Is it 6 and 12? Meaning like 6 here and 12 here? Let's test it out. 1 times 2 is 2. Is 3 times 2 6? Absolutely. 1 times 4 is 4. Is 3 times 4 12? Most definitely. Nice job, Jesus. All right, Alex. Nice. You're going to be able to teach the lesson Monday to the class. Right, Alex? 6 and then 12. Let me type that in, and then I'll be on the problem that you should be on. I don't know if it's going to be the same numbers, but we'll see, okay? You tell me if they're the same numbers. Because I'm finally on number 3. Yeah, I really got to wash out this board. Let's see how the red one is a little broken, but we'll see if it works. They give us 1 to 4, 2 to 8, blank to 32, and 16 to blank. Okay, Jesus, is this the one that you're on? Finally, after all this time? Okay, good. That's a good thing. I wanted it to be the same because I wanted to help you. So now you can tell me what the answer is. Oh, okay. So they flipped it. Well, that's okay. You'll still get the same answer. Okay, you got this, Jesus. The last one is 64, he says. Okay. I agree with you because 1 times 16 is 16. And if I do 4 times 16, I definitely get 64. So I agree with you. How about this one? And the last one is 4. Well, just test it out. If I put a 4 here, 1 times 4 is 4. Is 4 times 4 32? 4 times 4 is 16. So you got to go higher. Yes. Oh, sweet. Sweet. I got my grids in the mail. Yes. What's up? Teaching from home. Got myself a little school here. I forgot because I submitted and I only memorized the 64. So no, it's not 4. 4 is too low. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. You need whatever number is here. 4 times some number is 32. And then you have to do it times the 1. So I'll erase this part. You want to try 6? 4 times 6 is 24, not 32. So go higher. Okay, let's test it. Yes, 4 times 8 is 32. So what number should go here? What number should go in the missing box?
Enter in the missing number to create equivalent ratios.
Yes, 8 goes in there. Good job. Okay, so are you on star number 4? Okay, cool. Let's see if we have the same again. I have 2 to 3, 4 to blank, blank to 9. Ooh, 3 blanks this time, Jesus. 3 blanks. But you got this. I know you do. Okay. You gave me the answer. No, you gave me the answer. Is it 6, 6, and 27? So let me see. Do you mean 6, 6, 27 like that? Okay, let's test it out. 3 times 2 is definitely 6. So the question is 2 times 2 4? Yes. How about over here? 2 times 3 is 6. So is 3 times 3 9? Yes. Last one. 3 times 9 is 27. So if I do 2 times 9, do I get 18? Absolutely. You know what, Jesus? You don't need Miss Leggett's help anymore.
Enter in the missing numbers to create equivalent ratios.
After this, is this the end? No. I think there were 3 more lessons for ratios. As long as you get a 70% or higher at the end. Oh, you can stop, Jesus. You don't have to keep going. My next set of office hours is Tuesday, so you can go back to it Tuesday. Okay? All right, and how is everybody else doing in stream? Any questions, guys? The end of the live stream is at 12 o'clock. You too, Jesus. Thank you very much. You don't have to stay until 12 o'clock, though. These are office hours and today, and the students drop in as they need to. So you can go eat, buddy. I don't want you staying hungry like that. All right, bye. Take it easy. Stay safe. Hey, Alex, I have a question for you. What's the fourth cube? Those look great. Those look really great. I think it would have been great if you demonstrated in a video how you put those together for for your classmates. I mean, if you're willing to do that, I could give you some extra credit. Because that probably means you'd be doing it over again. So what's the question is like, what was the fourth little one? Or I guess I should say third little one, because I know the big box is the 4x2x2, but what's the third little one? Little cube. What is, oh, I guess I missed. What is the third little cube? Okay. And we are wrapping up here, so we have 5 minutes left. Oh, it was 1/2 inch. Okay, cool. Nice job. So are you willing to tape yourself making the centimeter cube, the inch cube, and the 4x2x2? You're welcome. Are you willing to tape yourself demonstrating that and then posting it in the classroom so that other students can try to copy it? Yeah, all right, great. Oh man, that's awesome. That is truly awesome, man. You get a couple of dabs. Hopefully it's not blocked for you. Jesus said the dabs were blocked. I hope the dabs aren't blocked. Oh, it is blocked? Aww, that stinks. Why would the dab be blocked? It makes no sense. Let's see if there's something else. Maybe I have to, like, I don't know, purchase a pack or something. I don't know. Is there like a... Wait, is this... Let me see if this one is a fist bump. Raised fist. How about this one? Are the thumbs up blocked? Why is the little dab guy blocked? That makes no sense. Okay, so the thumbs up then. Sorry. It's not as cool as the dab, but... So who else do we have here? Fergie, are you still with us? What are you doing? Fergie. Oh, Alana's here. Hey, Alana. Alana, we're about to finish. What are you doing, dear? What are you doing, dear? What kind of schedule are you on? Okay, no problem. No problem. I think Fergie was on the last part. How is she doing? Okay, so it doesn't look like, okay. All right. What do y'all eat for breakfast? I had a chicken sandwich. All right, it looks like we only have Alana and Alex here, so I'm going to pause the 2 tests. It doesn't look like they are here anymore. So pause. And let's see what else. There was one more, right? I think, yeah. Nope, I did that one. I think it was supposed to be part 2 for Dennis. Yep, I gotta pause this one. Hey, Alex, I have one more question for you because no one in my homeroom has done what you've done. If nobody does what you did, is it okay when you post the video that I post it for my homeroom also? That way they have the benefit of seeing a peer come up with that strategy. Okay, excellent. All right. All right, guys, it's 12 o'clock. Thank you for joining. Alex, thank you very much for being such like a great participant and working really hard. I will see you guys Monday for class at 11. Have a great weekend and keep up the good work, okay? You can post it in Classroom if you want. Or if you send it to me, yes, then I should be able to copy the link and put it with the assignment for each. So I guess that makes more sense. What time will I have period 3-4? Monday, I have period 3-4 at 11 a.m. Today, it was also 11 a.m. It was 11 to 12. That's fine. You can send it to me, and then I'll put it as a link for the actual assignment. That would help students a lot, actually, I think. Okay, guys. All right. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much. That's okay, Alana. You can finish the test during Tuesday's office hours at 11. Monday, I'm supposed to do new material. Okay, cool. You're very welcome. Take care, guys.